Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the tips and tricks that you can use to make sure your gig runs more smoothly. So, you can watch these videos in any order. In this video we are talking about starting strong and finishing even better. People always remember the first song and the last song you play. The stuff in between, not so much. So when you start, you should start with your best song. Now when I mean best, I don't mean what you think is your best song, the one that goes down best with previous audiences. If there's one song that works better than others, use that one. Because obviously it's a crowd favourite. It might not be your favourite, but it's the crowd favourite. And of course you save the best crowd favourite song for last. Like I said, start strong, finish even better. The stuff in between, yeah, not every song can be a winner, but people always remember the last song. Before you leave, you went, oh, that was a great last song. That could also be applied to an encore. If you should get an encore, if you're lucky enough to get an encore, sometimes clubs are very exact, you get 1 hour and that's it. Then your last song should be your best song, or best crowd favourite might be a better way to put it. Again, it's up to you which song that is. Every crowd is somewhat different and it depends on your genre of music. So like I say, start strong, finish even better. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. The more subscribers we get and the more thumbs up we get, the more videos we will post and help our channel grow. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care and goodbye.